All right, let's take a look at what's going on outside. We have a lot to talk about. We got so many things coming up. Cape May looking beautiful. Down the shore looking beautiful. A little bit of a cool start. People are out there already walking the beach and enjoying the beautiful blue skies out there. And I think the high thin clouds that we do have in some places are going to be gone by later this morning. And you're going to have an absolutely delightful day out there. Let's go from Cape May to Center City. And here are those wispy cirrus clouds that I was telling you about. They will give way to bright sunshine with very few clouds by this afternoon. It is 52 right now, so if you're stepping out the door in Center City, you'll need a sweater. If you're north and west, it's still in the upper 40s, and down the shore, we're right around 50 degrees. So we are going to look at these northwest winds, ushering in a drier, cooler air mass. Let's plan and prepare for your week ahead. It'll be mostly sunny and dry this week. Not going to need the umbrella. Don't bother with it. We're going to continue that record dry streak that we're in the middle of. Day 35 today. Looks like we could get close to day 40 before we see any rain. That is just so crazy, but that's what's going on. Temperatures are going to be in the low 60s for our weekend, and then we're going to be back to the 70s and near 80 by the time we get into midweek. And your election day forecast, it's going to be partly sunny. It will be dry, and it will be unseasonably warm right now. Upper 70s, so no excuse not to head out and, exercise your right to vote. We're looking at 63 for today. I'm going to run through this futurecast so that you can see the lack of rain that we're going to have. Now, we head out. We go into tomorrow. Tomorrow, a few high thin clouds, but lots of sunshine, 61. So just a little bit cooler tomorrow. Then we bounce back up to 67. And on your Monday, we do have a few extra clouds around, but no storm system in sight. Very warm by the time we get into our Tuesday and our Wednesday. We're looking at 78 on Election Day with sunshine. We go into Wednesday, even warmer, 80 degrees. There is a front in the offing. Will that front bring us rain? No, of course not. It looks like it falls apart like the last four have, slides through, bring us cool air, maybe a few showers south and east of the city. That's about it. We're going to head into our Friday with 66 degrees. Then next Saturday, a few clouds and 70. And now this is where we kind of get into the voodoo forecasting. This is on the edge of the large models, but this is the trend, and maybe this is a good thing. The trend is a much more organized system possible by a week from tomorrow, and that one could be the one that possibly brings us the measurable rain that we need so badly. If you're lucky enough to be going out to the Eagles game, taking on Jacksonville, 58 at kickoff, 4:05 tomorrow, and we're looking at a sunny and cool time. If you're tailgating, you're going to be at about 57 at 2, and don't forget, it is going to get dark early, so 52 at 6 o'clock, 48 if you're still out by about 8 o'clock tomorrow night. And take a look at this. You're going to be seeing changing sunrise and sunset times. Today, sunrise was 7:31, sunset will be 5:56, but tomorrow, look at this. Because you're turning your clocks back 1 hour, you will see the sun up at 6:32, and unfortunately, that sunset will be at 4:55. 63 today in Philadelphia, 64 down the shore, and 59 in the Lehigh Valley. We are going to be looking at 61 for tomorrow, and then a steady climb up to near 80 by Wednesday, a quiet and dry election day, and then back to the 60s by Friday.